Happy morning to all of you. I welcome you all back to our e-learning classes. So students, as you all know that your test 2 have been finished. Now we will proceed further towards our test 3 syllabus. And today in English we are going to start with English literature. In English literature your next chapter is chapter 6, The Wedding of Alana Dale. This is a beautiful story of a loving couple who went through difficulties and at the end finally they got married to each other on a happy note. The main character of this story is Robin Hood. You all must have heard a lot about Robin Hood. Many of you might have read his stories. He was criminal in English traditional stories. He was very popular for stealing from the rich and helping the poor ones. What he did in this story, let us find out. One day, when Robin was walking through the forest area, he met a young soldier, the knight, the warrior. He was happily moving. He was singing the merry songs with his head upright or straight. Robin was amazed to see the knight, but he didn't stop him. What happened next day? Next day, when he met the knight again, he looked very different. He was dressed in grey. His head was hung down. Even he was moving very slowly. Robin was surprised to see this, and he asked him to sit down and tell him why he was so sad. The poor knight told Robin Hood his story. He said that my name is Alana Dale. 7 years ago, I fell in love with the most beautiful and wonderful lady in the world. She loves me too. We were very happy, but her father was not ready for us. He was angry because I was poor. He further told him that his daughter is not meant to be married a poor man like me, and tomorrow she is going to marry to an ugly man just because that ugly man is having a lot of money. Now I have lost all my love. My heart is totally broken. Robin told him to cheer up. He clapped on his shoulder. The very next morning, Robin Hood got up. He dressed himself like an old harp. Harper is an musical instrument. He dressed up like an old harper. Harper and what is harp? It is an musical instrument, and the one who plays it is known as harper. He took his harp in his hand and he moved to the church where the wedding was to take place. He told the little Joy that he was to follow with 24 good men, and all of them used to be dressed in dark green Lincoln green color. He said that he need to bring with him Friar Tuck and Alana Dale. Who was Friar Tuck? He was the main character. He was the best friend, companion of Robin Hood. When Robin Hood arrived at the door of Abbey is called a large church. When Robin Hood arrived at the door of Abbey, he met Bishop over there. He was dressed in fine clothes and all ready to marry the poor lady Christabel to the old knight. The bishop was happy to see him because he loved the sound of the harp. Robin went into the church and sat down behind the big pillar not very far from the place of the worship. When the wedding guests started arriving, Robin was watching them and he saw that the people were talking among themselves about the poor fate of the girl. They were not happy with the marriage. They were saying that girl is so beautiful, but the one with whom she is going to get married is an old ugly man. One of them said that she loves Alan Adele, who is a handsome young man and he sings so beautifully. Robin, he was very happy to hear that everyone in the church is in favor of Christabel and Alan Dale's wedding. At last, Christabel came. She entered the church with her father. The beautiful bride came holding her father's arm. Her face was sad. Her eyes were down behind her. Behind her there was little chorus of singers who were dressed in red and white and sing the sweet bridal song. The bishop opened his book to begin the service. At the moment Robin Hood from behind the pillar he stood and stand beside the bride and he said, "Stop it! I don't like this wedding. The bridegroom is too old and ugly for such a lovely bride." The bishop asked Robin Hood that, "Who are you? Why are you disturbing us? Why are you interrupting in between the wedding?" Then the Robin Hood replied. He threw away his changed appearance. He said that, "I am Robin Hood." He took his horns to his lips and at that moment he said that 24 men of Robin Hood are here. They also came and they joined him. And then Robin Hood said that we all have come to church and it is sure that a wedding is going to held, but let the bride choose the bridegroom. Christabel put out her hand from her father's arm and shyly she slipped into Alan Adele. The bishop refused to conduct the marriage, but Ferrata put on bishop's gown and took a big book. Everyone stood there, laughed, and he stepped to the altar. He was looking so fat and jolly. He proceeded with his prayers and the wedding was held. Nobody could stop them. Even Christabel's father would have liked to cry out and stop the wedding, but he couldn't because two of Robin's men held him tight and kept his mouth shut. In this way, Christabel and Alan Adele were married and went to live with Robin Hood in Sherwood Forest. They went with Robin Hood to live in Sherwood Forest. Sherwood Forest are royal forest in England. So this is how Robin Hood helped Christabel and Alan Adele. Understood everyone? I wish that you all have understood it. I explained the chapter in English in a simple language. I didn't use Hindi, so I hope that you all must have understood it. If you have any problem, please tell me. Okay, so thank you everyone.